teamwork makes the dream work. My body wants more sleep, but my pocket wants more money. Be the best, fuck the rest. Be a man who proves that not all the men are same. Great things never comes from comfort zones. Once you fall in love with yourself, the game is over. Live a life you don't need a vacation from. I changed my thinking, it changed my life. Sometimes, silence is the better answer. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Stay dedicated, it doesn't happen overnight. Success hugs you in private, failure slaps you in public, that's life. If I start treating you the way you treat me, you will hate me. Sometimes I feel like giving up, then I remember, I have lot of motherfuckers to prove wrong. Roses are red, violets are blue, I have 5 fingers, and the middle one's for you. And in the end, all I learned was how to be strong alone. I will try my best to never allow myself to love someone again. I hope karma will slap you in the face before I do. I believe and work, I don't fuck with luck. If I'm not dead, I'm not finished. I may be crazy, but crazy is better than stupid. Life is hard. Nah. You are just too weak. Hurt me with the truth, but never comfort me with a lie. Chasing a dream is always better than chasing a person. I forgive people by blocking them. Invest in yourself, it pays the best interest. Too many people, too many shades. Nobody stays, everyone fades. One wrong move, and everyone starts judging you. Memories take you back, dreams take you forward. Don't trust too much. Don't love too much. Don't hope too much, because that too much can hurt you so much.